Are you currently having problems with your Ria Money Transfer app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this issue. So basically what I did myself to be able to fix this was that I firstly closed my Ria app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now on my settings app, then what I did was that I scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general. So as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So in here I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage, as you can see, and basically on this page just wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all the apps in here, as you can see. Then scroll up like this and search for Ria in here. So search for Ria and click on it, and the most important step now is going to be for you to click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. So basically what you just did is that you're going to force your Ria Money Transfer app to completely update to the latest version. So you're going to force it to update and fix, like, basically, yeah, if it has a new update, it's going to fix all the bugs that was in the previous update as well. So you're just going to now wait for it to completely load, then go back into the app and hopefully now it's working for you as well.